Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. We have two Taylors with me because Taylor Swift, she released her Showgirl album recently, and this time she sings about a legendary Elizabeth Taylor. Alright, it's a great song. And by the way, in the chorus she sings, "I'd cry my eyes violet," and therefore I choose my violet guitar here from Anchor Guitars, a great guitar. And if you want to have one of these, then use my coupon code GORNGUitar10 to get 10% off from an already affordable price like $250 or so. So go and check out Anchor Guitars now. Let's go into this tutorial. This one is very simple. We have 6 chords, I believe, and we will play them pretty much in the same way with one strumming pattern. So let's dive into Elizabeth Taylor. So we're gonna check out the chords, and as you can see, no need for any capo here. We're gonna start with A minor. So A minor goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Next chord is G, and that will be third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Next chord is the F major 7, and that will be third D, second G, first B, and open E. We also got the E minor. That will be open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, open E. Then we also have the E later on, and what you do from the E minor, you just add on this first fret G string. Everything else stays the same from E minor. Add the first fret G, and voila, you have this E chord. And finally we have the D minor, and that will be open D, second G, third B, and first E. Okay, so let's start with the strumming pattern. We have a 2-part strumming. So we have part 1 and part 2, and together they make up for one full round. So let's check out the first transition, because that is how it starts from the verse. We're gonna play A minor part 1 to G part 2, okay? So remember, you can do this in different ways. This is my interpretation how to handle the song, because we don't have a clear guitar playing there. So this is me building up a strumming pattern that fits the beat and everything, rhythm. So have that in mind. Now, A minor part 1 goes like this. Okay, so it's first 1 down, then clap, and then down up. Okay, so that's it. So down, clap, down, up. Then you have a short little pause there, time to make the chord switch to G and play part 2, and that goes up, down, clap, down. Okay, so you're gonna play up, down, then clap, down. That's it for part 2. So together, A minor to G goes like this. Down, clap, down, up, down, clap, down. Okay, so now we're ready for the actual song, and as I said, this is how the song starts. A minor part 1, G part 2, and then we're gonna finish off the verse play with F major 7, 1 full round. That means both part 1 and part 2. And that will be 1 chord progression round. A minor part 1, G part 2, F major, 1 full round. You're gonna play that for 4 chord progression rounds. Let's do 2 rounds together. It goes like this. Two rounds of that, you're gonna double up for 4 rounds, and that's the first verse. Okay, so into the pre-chorus, and if your letters, that's where on the lyrics, what you're gonna play now is 1 full round of E minor. Then you're gonna shift to F major 7, and in this first pre-chorus, you're just gonna play 1 down with a pause that builds up for the chorus. So just E minor, 1 full round, and then F major 7, 1 down. And the length of that pause that follows after that down is as if you would play 1 full round of F major 7. Okay, So 1 down and just wait for 1 strumming around. And that is the pause, and that takes us into the chorus play. Okay, so the chorus play, you already know that now, guys, because that is played exactly in the same way as the verse play. It starts about 41 seconds in. I cry my eyes violet as this guitar, and yes, 4 rounds, play the verse play, and that is the chorus. Okay, let's go into the second round, and that is just repetition, guys. 4 rounds again of that second verse play. Then a little bit different in the second pre-chorus, because we had this F major, just 1 down. In this second pre-chorus, you're gonna play 1 full strumming around. So that means E minor, 1 full round, and F major, 1 full round, like this. Alright, that's it for second pre-chorus, and then the second chorus, just repetition, 4 rounds of that famous A minor, G, and F major 7. After that comes the post-chorus, about 2 minutes sharp, and what you're gonna play here is A minor, part 1, G, part 2, and F major, 1 full round. We know that by now. You're gonna play that for 2 rounds to start with. Then comes the lyric part, and that lasts for about 2 corporational rounds length, okay? So she sings there, no playing pretty much for 2 rounds. And then at 2 minutes and 23 seconds in, still this post-chorus part, we have a playing that goes D minor, 1 full round, then E minor, 1 full round, then back to D minor, 1 full round, and then the E, 1 down, and the pause. And that pause is the length of 1 strumming around. So that happens about 2 minutes and 23 seconds in. I'm gonna play it for you. So D minor 1, E minor 1, D minor 1, and E 1 down, like this. And then comes the rest. And the rest is just the third chorus / outro, because what you're gonna do here is to play 8 rounds of that famous chorus play, A minor part 1, G part 2, F major, 1 full round. And guess what, guys? That is how you handle Taylor Swift's Elizabeth Taylor. So a great song, the second track from that cool new album from Swift. So check that one out. Only 6 chords, pretty simple. Hope to see you soon, guys, because if you love Taylor Swift, she will be back here for more. We're gonna pick out some more great songs from her new album. So come back. Hope to see you soon. And until next time, play tuned.